Who hasn't come across this already? You have the coolest possible 3D printer part, and you require lots of support to print it halfway decent. But with loads of support, you make it rough and unattractive surfaces that no one wants to have. What if there was a way to get away without printing support? Impossible? No, possible, now. May we introduce PLA-Y-Glue. With PLA-Y-Glue, you can pre-cut the parts, avoid support, and simply glue them together after printing. Voila! No more rough or ugly surfaces. With the PLA-Y-Glue, gluing PLA, ABS, and ASA together is a walk in the park. Want to glue a printed figure? No problem. You can even glue your Tesla back together, effortlessly, with PLA-Y-Glue. Simply take the parts to be glued. Apply the glue to both parts sparingly. Join the parts. Give it 5 minutes to dry. Whoa! Holds. After 24 hours, the parts are bonded to each other for better or worse. Forever. We already have a finished product. No more research, no more development. It just needs to be produced and shipped. So grab your PLA-Y-Glue today and support this project. PLA-Y-Glue, PLA, and more, now you can glue.